Lufthansa Technik is a service provider for airlines. Being on the leading edge in terms of aviation technology, it was a natural fit for us, connecting our physical services to a digital platform.
We collect billions of data points from different aircraft systems. We always know about the state of the aircraft, so there are no unplanned maintenance events in the aviation industry anymore.
To face the challenge with growing amount of data, we decided to create a digital twin of an aircraft. The product is called Aviatar.
If we have an anomaly with the engine, the aircraft sends data to the ground. So when the aircraft arrives, the corresponding action will be ready to be performed by the mechanic. We want to be the open alternative to closed ecosystems in aviation, running them all on Microsoft Azure. When we started Aviatar, we were very short in time. We started with on-premise infrastructure components. We noticed quickly that our development and iteration speed would be better suited in a cloud environment.
It was quite easy to lift and shift our Red Hat technology stack that we had on-premise into the Azure cloud.
98% of our workloads are running on Azure VMs that are powered by Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Since managing databases is a huge effort, we try to introduce managed databases wherever possible. So we're using Azure SQL databases. Our machine learning and prediction algorithms are running on a Cloudera Hadoop cluster, so we can easily spin up new clusters to crunch the numbers. All the raw data is stored in the Azure Data Lake store. Streaming data between the different microservices takes place in a central Kafka cluster that runs on Azure virtual machines using Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And they're working like a charm on Azure.
We were able to speed up in our software development and increase flexibility and scalability of our solutions.
Moving Aviatar to the cloud reduces operational effort by more than 50%.
We are using technology to make an impact in the physical world. For a normal-sized airline, the cost savings might be in the double-digit millions per year. Our vision is to keep Aviatar growing, reach all airlines in the world, and make their operations more reliable.